This is the other elevator. Here, this garage. Here, Bradenton, Florida. We got ThyssenKrupp here to ride. Here it is. High security. Very hard place to put a security camera. Just go up to 4. Slow for hydraulic. Woo, that's bright. Oh yeah, Spring Hill Suites is over there. That's where we're going next. Certificate. Got a pretty nice cab. This is larger than the other one on the road. Odd place for a security camera. Nobody's in one of these corners. But no, they stick it right in the middle of the cab. Mag buttons. That stinks inside of it because I farted. Excuse me. Right there's the certificate. Certificate. Yeah. Hold on. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.